since I've uploaded a video, and that's because I'm working on stuff with my house, and so a lot of it is like before and after vibes, so that will come soon. But today I figured out something that I've been trying to do for a really long time, and I was like, okay, I need to make a video about this ASAP before I just never make the video. So today I figured out how to frame an entire magazine. As you guys should know, I'm obsessed with Playboy and I collect them. I have so many, probably like 100 Playboys. And so I'm in the middle of doing this closet room in my house. I keep calling it a closet room, but somebody told me it's actually called a glam room. So I guess I'm that bitch now. But anyways, I want to make one of the walls to showcase my Playboy magazines. So I've Googled this and looked for a tutorial so many times, and even just in like, not like I needed a tutorial, but there are no magazine like frames at all. So today I went to Michael's art store because that's my go-to place. They always have the best prices. There's always a sale. And in the back of the store, they have like a professional framing area where there's people that, professionals who frame stuff for you. They can make anything customized, and they just have a really good variety of frames and really good prices. So I went back there, and the guy, I told him what I was trying to do, and he basically, long story short, told me since I'm not a professional, there's no way that I could do this myself, and that he would have to do it for me, and it's gonna cost $180. And I was like, bitch, what? No. So he was like telling me that there are no frame sizes that'll fit a magazine, and it has to be a custom job. And I'm like, fuck that. So I start walking around the store, and I found these, and it comes with, it's a shadow box. It comes with this like white mat, which makes it look really professional. And you'll die at the price because these are originally $26, but it was like a buy one, get one. So it ends up being $13 for this frame, okay? So I stocked up. I'm gonna frame 6 to start with for the wall. But this is what it looks like at Michael's, and you can also buy it online. I'm just trying to hook you guys up, you know, so no one has to deal with figuring it out. I already did it for you. So this is the Studio Decor Shadow Box, and it's 11 by 14 inches, and that is the perfect size for this Playboy. So the most recent Playboys are a little bit bigger. This is like kind of an older version, and the older ones are all pretty much this size, but the newer ones are this big boy. So I'm gonna mix it up. I'm doing 3 of these big boys and 3 of these regular. So when I put the magazine in here, so a shadow box, there's like a lot of space inside, obviously, to fit the magazine. So it like slides down under this white thing. I'll show you what I mean. So I was thinking, okay, I need something to hold it in place. This is probably what that framing guy was talking about, where I need it professional. He was even like, you're not familiar with framing. I don't even know what he said. Something about like, I don't have the knowledge or something. And I was like, yeah, I don't, but I'm all about winging it, so I'm gonna figure it out without you, bitch. Anyways, this is what it looks like without the back on it. So if you put the magazine in here, it's literally the exact size, like fits perfectly, but obviously it's not doing it right now because I'm hanging it weird, but if you were just to put the back on, it's gonna slide down and do that. So I was like, I need something to put like under here so it just sits on a ledge kind of, and then you put the backing on and then it's good to go, just like that. So I'm walking around and I found this Elmer's foam board multi-pack. There's 4 in here for $7.50. And it is 11 by 14, the exact fucking size of the shadow box. Goodbye. So this is what I did. I already took one out. So put this to the side. You're also gonna need an X-Acto knife, and I got like the heavy duty blade, so I'll cut through this shit real nice. So basically I put the magazine right in the middle of the board. Can you hear Sweet Pea snoring in the background? We love her. Then I trace the magazine with a pen. Then I take my X-Acto, so it has a little trace of the magazine. Take my X-Acto and cut through this boy. So I'm cutting it to get the center to pop out. Once I get this all the way cut, you'll see that it doesn't really fit fully in there because it's too big. So I actually realized that I only need the bottom part. So yeah, let me just cut this boy real quick. So when I put this in here, it's a little bit too big, like it doesn't go all the way through against the glass. So I just decided like, I don't really need the whole thing, so I cut half of it off. Un momento, por favor. Look at me not being prepared. Weird. Anyways, yeah, so I cut this. So for this one specifically, because it's a big one, it only needs like the bottom. For the smaller ones, I think I'm gonna need more, like obviously it's gonna be a thicker border, but that's fine. Just trace whatever size magazine you have and then just plop it in. And if it doesn't fit all the way, you can just like trim the sides of it once it's already fitted to the magazine for it to fit in there. Like this right here is a little bit long still. So I'm just gonna cut a tiny bit off. Because really the purpose of this is just to have the magazine float correctly. So I place the magazine on top of the little floater guy. There it is. Then I'm gonna take the piece that I cut, took out the center of that board and just place it on the back of the magazine, because that just like, you know, what's the word? I don't know. Makes it more firm. Solidifies. I don't know. You know, it's kind of late. Anyways. Okay, so now I'm going to plop the frame. Secure. Oh, it makes it more secure. That's the word I was looking for. Okay. And here she is, bitch. Oh my god. Okay, I kind of did that really fast. So I'm going to like make sure it's a little more straight. But there you have it. Isn't this amazing? So now that I figured this out, so me and Cole are redoing all the closets. He has his own closet in our bedroom. And so I'm making a video of all this too. So definitely look out for that video. But I'm also going to make a wall like this of old Easy Rider magazines, which is like a really dope vintage motorcycle magazine. Cause you know, Cole loves it. And it has all these hot bitches on the covers too. So I just ordered a bunch of those from Etsy and I'm gonna do the same thing. So basically the guy at the store told me it was gonna cost $180 to frame a magazine, and I just did it in under, I think 20 bucks, because the frame the shadow box equaled out to be $13 with their sale going on right now. And then that foam board was like $7.50 for 4. So I don't know how to do math, but divide that by 4 equals 1 board. It's definitely under 20 bucks. So there you go. Definitely get on that. Michael's Art Store. You can order them online if you don't have one near you. And the sales are all online too. So I actually just checked to make sure, because I'm going to order more. So that's it. I hope you guys love it. And I hope you guys make your own little walls, because this is cute as fuck. Okay, bye. Oh my God, hold up. Okay, we're not done yet. So I thought we were done, but we're not. I started to frame the smaller ones, and then I had an idea that would make this go way faster for the small ones. I still think the way I did the big ones was the best way to do it. But for the small ones, look how much space there is. It's kind of a lot. So I think the best way to do it is to put your magazine right in the center and get that motherfucking double-sided tape. Wow, okay? Wow. Double-sided tape, as long as you're good with taping the back of your magazine. I mean, I am, because they're probably just gonna be in these frames forever. So I'm gonna put tape on the back and then put this board straight on the back of it. And then it's secured. The bag is secured. The little guys are secured. Okay, let's get it. Why am I like crafting God today? Crafting goddess, if you will. That's me. All I need, and I can't believe I had this tape on deck. For a second, I thought I was gonna have to go to the motherfucking store. We love it. We love convenience. Okay. Got that boy on there. Now this board fits perfectly against the magazine in here. I'm just kidding. The board doesn't fit flat against the magazine. I thought it would, but there's like these little bumpers in here. So it looks like it goes all the way, but you want it to go inside. I don't know how to explain this like without you seeing it. So I'm just gonna cut this a little bit. I think this will be the easiest way, instead of cutting a border, just like making a backing. You know what I mean? For the smaller ones where there's more space showing. Doesn't need to be perfect because this isn't gonna show. The edge isn't gonna show. It's gonna be behind the other white border thingy. What should we call this? Winging it with Natty Ice or Natty Crafts? Okay, that fits. See, it goes behind the little border. So that worked. Whoop whoop. All right, so putting the magazine back in the center. Don't fuck it up. I'm really good at eyeballing stuff, and I'm not even being sarcastic. So if you're not, maybe measure it, but I eyeball everything. Okay, I hope that's in there, right? Here we go. I don't even take this thing off. I just shove it in. Shove it in, shove it in. That's just my motto. Cole loves that motto. Shove it in, shove it in. All right, this is the first time I've done this small magazine, and I'm just doing it on camera right now. So I hope this fucking works. Let's see. I'm nervous. Oh my God! I am the craft goddess today. That looks even more bitchin' than that one because it has like a little bit of a shadow. I'm pretty sure these frames, these shadow boxes are like for memorabilia. Like, you know what I mean? Like you could put like, I don't know, but they're not made for magazines. So I just figured some shit out for you guys, and I feel amazing about it. Okay, go make your walls and tag me. Love y'all.